Anybody, I repeat, anybody, even with the worst stage fright, can deliver an impressive presentation. All that it requires is planning and practice. You only get limited opportunities to impress. This isn't possible without adequate planning. You might wonder, there are several great presenters who just walk onto the stage and wow their audience. But no one sees the hard work or the preparation that goes before the actual presentation. With time and practice, one gets better. And the more you practice, the better you get, and lesser time you will take to be an outstanding presenter on stage. These techniques are meant to make you a better presenter. And the key is the right kind of preparation and planning with the right set of techniques. Your planning starts with these 6 basic questions. Why are you presenting? This is the foundation of your presentation. Are you presenting to win a client? Convince someone that your product is the best that exists today? Convince VCs that your enterprise is the one that will change the world? Convince your senior management that the product and the plan that you are presenting will change the future of your organization? It all starts with the why. What are you presenting? The next important thing is, what are you presenting? Are you presenting data, a future plan, current struggle, audience gain or benefit, a report, or just a story? Who are you presenting to? This is your audience. It could be your known crowd, a completely unknown set of people. You might know the group, or you may not know their background at all. This is extremely important for your planning. How are you presenting? This is more to do with your collateral. Are you presenting a slide deck, a video, drawing and writing while presenting, or just speaking in front of your audience? Where are you presenting? This is your place and medium of your presentation. Are you presenting in front of a huge gathering or a small gathering where you might be able to make eye contact? Or are you doing a presentation in a video conference setup where the audience can see you but you don't manage making an eye contact? Or are you presenting through an audio conference where no one is able to see you and you can't see anyone either? How long are you presenting? The duration of your presentation is extremely important as well, as that impacts your planning to a very large extent. Your preparation heavily depends on how much time you have to talk. Lesser the time you get to talk, tougher it gets to wow your audience. Hence, longer it requires you to prepare. If you have answers to the 6 most important questions regarding your presentation, you need to put them into a structure or fit them into the structure where they belong.